How to verify ID on GPO. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID on GPO. So in order to verify GPO on Roblox, all you have to do is go ahead and open up your Roblox application. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the gear icon located in the top right, and from the drop down menu, click on settings. So in order to verify ID on Roblox or verify GPO on Roblox, it has some certain restrictions. So if you're under 13, then you'll not be able to verify it. Apart from it, if you're above 18 or if you're 18 years, then you'll be able to verify it. Along with that, you'll also be asked to provide him some sort of governmental documents. Make sure that you have all of the information. In order to verify, go ahead and tap on Verify My Age button located right in between. As soon as you do that, a pop-up menu appears. Now from here onwards, you'll have to carry on with your phone. So you have to first of all scan the QR code. As soon as you scan the QR code, it's going to direct you to the page where you can actually verify, or it's going to provide you the instructions. So first thing, you have to provide in your government's ID and then your information, contact details and all that. As soon as you're done entering the information, then you'll be notified that you've successfully verified your ID on Roblox or that you've successfully verified GPO on Roblox. So in that way, you can verify your ID on GPO. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.